Hello, so we're home now, back at my
Yep.
And yeah, it's been quite a long day. But yeah, it's been a really long day. So as you know, we went up to Mandeville, hopefully in search of seeing a property that my friend had. But when we got there, all the way to Mandeville, what, an hour and a half?
Yeah, like 2 hours there. Around in Mandeville for like a couple of hours.
Yeah.
And we went and had a look at this estate that we were thinking about, but it's probably gone by now anyway.
Yeah.
So then we've driven back, so we've had an unproductive day. We were going to go to get the tax code today. So we're going to get the TRN and the NIS. But we were told to go up there and see this bloke, and if we went and saw him, that pretty much it was like, you know, a sure thing. But then when we got there, he basically didn't want anything to do with us. I don't know why he even said yes and told us to come up there when, like, just complete waste of time. Anyway.
Basically, yeah, it was a wasted trip, a waste of a day. We could have gone to the tax office or could have gone to get the NIS. We ended up going to Mandeville and back, and yeah, but never mind.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Tomorrow, what we're going to do is it's Ash Wednesday here, and it's a national holiday, so nothing's open. So the priority now, because we've basically got until like Sunday to find a place or to buy a car. Now, if we can't find a place, it means that we have to get a car, and then we're basically going to be in the car and nowhere else. For real, that's actually what we're going to do. Or we'll have to get like a cheap Airbnb and just risk it for a chocolate biscuit for like a £40, £45 Airbnb. But we can't do that for that long. Do you know what I'm saying? So like. Anyway, and we need the title, the deed to come through on the property. We paid for it. It's in completion, meaning that they've sent it off and just ain't come through yet. But we need that piece of paper before we can actually go onto the land really and occupy it. So like, it could take 2 days. It could take 3 weeks. So whatever.
Yeah.
Basically, we need the land to come through, and hopefully we need a place to stay. If we can't get a place to stay, then we're going to be living
in the car.
But we haven't got a car yet either.
Yeah.
So.
Oh boy.
So
but
it's a bit of a...
we'll be all right. We've got to be positive. You're very positive, and yeah.
I can't see any, like, what's going to happen. Like,
obviously, I feel a bit disheartened, but you know, we've just got to be positive, and in our hearts, we know we're doing the right thing. Moving here, it's just we've got to, get to the next step and make it all happen.
It's short-term pain and instability for long-term stability. So basically, cut a long story short, right? The future moving into the UK, like, you're not going to be able to get ahead. It's going to be pretty painful, and the way that everything's going, the economy, blah blah blah. I won't get too deep into it, but if you can get here and set up, then the future is brighter for us, at least, than it would be in the UK. Like,
we can do it. We can do it. I know we can.
Yeah. So short-term discomfort, physical. Short-term instability and risk and safety, let's be honest. And then if we stay in England, it's the perception of security. And well done, guys. And it's the imaginary. You think you've got security, but you really don't.
Anyway, tomorrow's a different day, so I'm sure tomorrow we'll kind of get back on track.
What do you think we should do first? Look for a car or carry on looking? We need to do all three, don't we?
Yeah, we need to still keep looking for places to stay. We need to look for a car. The car should be easy. It's just a case of going to a dealership, finding one within our price budget. Whatever's best and most suitable is the one we walk away with that day.
We want one under £5,000, but I doubt it's going to happen.
We'll see. But yeah, that's the plan.
Daddy, we still fat. I'm still fat.
Say
Give
hello.
me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Hello.
Give me a kiss. Hazy, show
Right,
me your top.
we'll see you in the next
Give me a
video.
kiss. Give me an actual kiss. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.